What do you need? ستا څه پکار دي؟ What do you need? What do you do? ته څه کار کوې؟ What do you do? Where are you going? ته چېرته روان یې؟ Where are you going? Absolutely not. د سره نه. Absolutely not. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ بالکل نه. I have no idea. ما ته پته نشته. I have no idea. I don't want. زه نه غواړم. I don't want. See you. بیا میلاویږو. See you. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ بیا ملاقات کوو. See you next time. بل وخت بیا میلاویږو. See you next time. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ بل وخت بیا ملاقات کوو. Are you going with me? آیا ته ما سره ځې؟ Are you going with me? Are you sure? آیا ته یقیني یې؟ Are you sure? Buy it. دا په بیه واخله. Buy it. Look there. اخوا ګوره. Look there. Don't be late. ناوخته کوه ما. Don't be late. Keep distance. فاصله ساته. Keep distance. Take care. خیال ساته. Take care. You too. ته هم. You too. Be ready. تیار اوسه. Be ready. Stop the chatter. بک بک بند کئ. Stop the chatter. Do you remember? آیا ستا یاد دی؟ Do you remember? It is very hot today. نن ډیره ګرمي ده. It is very hot today. Draw the bolt. لټ ولګوه. Draw the bolt. You are such a lazy boy. څومره ناراست هلک یې ته. You are such a lazy boy. I knew he would win. ما ته پته وه چې هغه به ګټي. I knew he would win. I don't know anything about him. ما ته هغه باره کې هیڅ نه دي معلوم. I don't know anything about him. What can I do? زه څه کولی شم؟ What can I do? What can I do for you? زه ستا دپاره څه کولی شم؟ What can I do for you? At what time do you get up? ته څه وخت پاڅې؟ At what time do you get up? At what time do you sleep? ته څه وخت اوده کیږې؟ At what time do you sleep? She looks like her mother. هغه د خپلې مور په شان ښکاري. She looks like her mother. His face resembles his father. د هغه شکل د خپل پلار سره میلاویږي. His face resembles his father. I did not recognize him. ما هغه ونه پیژندو. I did not recognize him. You have changed so much. ته ډیر بدل شوی. You have changed so much. Don't you like it? آیا ستا دا خوښ نشو؟ Don't you like it? I never said that. ما داسې هیڅ کله نه دی ویلي. I never said that. Leave it to me. دا په ما پرېږده. Leave it to me. Do not worry about me. زما فکر مه کوه. Do not worry about me. Don't shout. چغې مه وهه. Don't shout. Call me as soon as you get there. چې هلته ورسې نو ما ته فون وکړه. Call me as soon as you get there. Tell me what happened. ما ته ووایه څه چل وشو. Tell me what happened. Move ahead. مخکې ځه. Move ahead. What happened to you? تا له څه چل شوی. What happened to you? I don't mind. ما ته هیڅ اعتراض نشته. I don't mind. Money does not grow on trees. پیسې په ونو کې نه راهیږي. Money does not grow on trees. Turn on the tap. نل چالو کا. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. نل بند کا. Turn off the tap. Do not talk rubbish. بکواس مکوا. Do not talk rubbish. Sit on the chair. په کرسۍ کېنه. Sit on the chair. Close the book and listen to me. کتاب بند کا او زما خبره واوره. Close the book and listen to me. Are you listening to me or not? ته زما خبره اورې که نه. Are you listening to me or not? Tell me. ما ته ووایه. Tell me. Keep a place for me. ما له در سره ځای ونیسه. Keep a place for me. Tell him. هغه ته ووایه. Tell him. Ask him. هغه نه تپوس وکړه. Ask him. Wait a minute. یو منټ صبر. Wait a minute. Close the window. کړکۍ بند کا. Close the window. It's thundering. اسمان پړقېږي. It's thundering. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ. اسمان ګړزیږي. He is fast asleep. هغه په ژور خوب اوده دی. He is fast asleep. Step up your leg from the chair. د کرسۍ نه خپل لر کا. Step up your leg from the chair. Let him study. پرېږده چې هغه مطالعه وکړي. Let him study. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.